Well, welcome back to the Workplace Safety Show. Jay Smith here as always, and you're noticing a new character here on my left. For those of you normally used to seeing myself and Darren Lewellyn, I am excited to announce a new member of our team today. Many of our viewers out there, you've been asking us and questioning us over the past several years about some services regarding combustible dust, what our areas of expertise are there, and I'm happy to announce today that we have a new member of our team, Jason Reason here, who is bringing a wealth of knowledge and experience with combustible dust, and I'd just like to introduce him today. And Jason, kind of tell him a little bit about yourself and what we're going to be doing.
Well, my background is I have about 13 years of experience at Indiana OSHA as a compliance officer. The last 4 years were exclusively or almost exclusively done on combustible dust inspections. I've done every part of a combustible dust inspection for Indiana OSHA, including doing things such as fatalities and accidents related to actual combustible dust explosions and fires. I've actually also taught at the OSHA Training Institute. I taught the combustible dust class and trained several compliance officers on combustible dust. Also, I sit on 4 NFPA committees to help write the combustible dust standards, including NFPA 654, the new standard, which is NFPA 652, and the correlating committee for combustible dust.
So we're going to be able to provide a whole range of services as it revolves around combustible dust issues, not just looking at collection systems, but also being able to spot and maybe identify some problems, give some guidance.
Yeah, we can basically look at everything that you would want us to look at for combustible dust, including dust collectors, including housekeeping, including personal protective equipment, which is the flame-resistant clothing. We can basically look at everything that you would ever think of for combustible dust, including new issues that are out there that the NFPA committees are actually dealing with at this time.
Okay. What would you say right now, just for viewers? We're going to have more information to come for everyone on a little bit more detail on what it is that we're going to be providing. We've had a lot of feedback from you, so we appreciate that. Continue to ask us things that you're going to want to see us help you with. But for this show right here today, what would you think would be, just if you had to pick one of the most common mistakes or common issues that folks, once they've determined they do have dust that is combustible, what's one of the most common mistakes you see that's made out there?
The most common mistake is everybody focuses on housekeeping. They think that if they just clean up their dust, that everything is fine.
Right. Maybe not fixing the problem.
Yeah, when it's not fine, because housekeeping, and we're going to get into this a lot more in future shows like Jay said, but housekeeping is a secondary explosion hazard. So by just cleaning up the combustible dust off of the floor and surfaces and everything like that, they ignore the dust collectors, which is the primary explosion hazard. So while I was working in Indiana OSHA, I actually did at least three explosions where each one of those explosions occurred at facilities that were immaculate. You could actually eat off the floors there, but the dust collectors blew up because they didn't have explosion protection on the dust collectors. So that's by far the biggest problem. Everybody focuses so much on housekeeping and ignores the dust collectors and the other things.
Wow. Okay. Well, we're so excited to have Jason. We're very excited to be able to offer this service to our clients. There are so many out there I know that are struggling with what to do, where to go, how to get it done. And so please feel free, give us a call, jump on Lewellyn.com. You can find more information there. And as always, we're going to be presenting some more details as far as what we're going to be able to offer in future shows. So I want to just thank everyone for joining us. Jason, I want to thank you for your time here, and we'll look forward to seeing everyone back here real soon.